Hello friends, welcome you all to your channel Big Bull Trading. Today in this video I am going to show you something very interesting and I hope you will like this one. I am receiving a lot of requests to make a video for the options where we can put the stop loss target at the time of entry only, and today I will show you that facility how to do in Zerodha application. So hopefully it will be helpful to you, and if you friends like the video, please share it with the others because many others are also searching for the same type of video. And really, if we can place the stop loss and the target both in the system at the time of entering the order, it will be really beneficial. So without wasting any time, I will start my video. As you can see here, this is my Zerodha desktop platform. Okay, so I have already selected one of the options here. For example, I will show you in 35,000 call. So I will tell you how you can do this and how to do it in proper way. For that, first of all, you will add it in the watch list. Over here you can see first is the buy, second is the sell, like that the options are there. So what we will do, first of all, we will go to the buy because we are doing this for the option buying. Here you can see here, whenever you open the chart of the bank nifty options, here you can see first is the intraday, second is the overnight, and here quantity, price and trigger price. So normally what we do, we normally buy it here and put it buy, and the orders are executed. For this type of orders, if you are planning to do, what we will do, first we will select this overnight orders. That is the normal orders we have to select. For the intraday, it will not happen. If you select this intraday option, you will select the normal options. After you select the normal options, you have to select the quantity. For example, you can see here already 25 is one lot, so it is there. So what price you want to buy, you can put it. For example, if you want to buy in market, you can put it market. If you want to buy in limit, you can buy in limit. Or if you want to buy in stop loss limit, for example, in a certain price, above that price only you want to buy, that also you can put. For example, for this order, what we will do, suppose now the high for here is 74.20. so for example, you feel that I want to buy the share at 75, so you will put what price you want to buy the share price, and 50 paisa below should be the trigger price, so you put this one. After that, you can see here below there is written GTT, where stop loss and target both are there. So what we will do over here, you have to put in percentage. For example, you have to calculate in percentage. For example, 72 if you want to, 75 if you want to buy, we want to put a 10 rupees stop loss. So approx it will be something around 13% roughly. So we will put 13% stop loss here, and that too we have to put it in the minus, because this is the stop loss. Okay, and here you have to put the target. So if you buy here, you can put the target here. For example, suppose just to show you, we are putting a target of same 13%, and our buy price will be here. So once we put it in the system, the order will be executed. I will show you that one now. Suppose we put the buy one. Okay, we put the buy, and see the order is now placed in the system. If this price is, if we get this price, then the order will be executed. And over here, if you see, if you go to the order segment, you see all the orders are pending in 75. Whenever it will get, the orders will be activated. So let's wait and see how it works. Okay, so we will hold this one and check in the position, no, in the order book. So we will go to the chart and we will wait. If the order comes, it will be triggered at that point of time. So let's wait and see what it happens. So friends, now you can see our order is executed. Okay, so if we go in the order book, we will see here that our order is executed in this price. Okay, and if we see here, see the positions, we can see we are making a profit of 102 rupees, 88 rupees is there. And in the GTT, if we go, we see there are two orders. You have to go in the GTT, two orders are there. Whichever is there, we will get our side. So now we will, if it is 83, it will hit our target, and if it is 64.50, we will book our loss. So this is how the order will now go. If we go to the positions, we see now we are in a loss of 28 rupees. It will very fast, any side it will go. And for checking these orders, you have to go in the order, then you have to go in the GTT. If you go in the GTT, you can see here these things, it will be going on. So 64 is our stop loss and our profit is 83.80. Whichever comes first, our orders will be executed. But friend, please note, whenever you are doing, you should be in front of the systems, because this is a limit price, the stop loss and the target. Whenever the limit price comes and that there is no pending orders, so your order will be not executed. So even if you put this one, you should be always in front of the system, because for me, once it happens, there is a slippage, that is the price comes but it missed, again when it comes in the same price, it's hit. So to be on the safer side, I always suggest, whenever you are taking this type of orders, you should be in front of the system then also, to get it done properly.